one that involves a very talented pod of dolphins. They are closely watched by a flock of great egrets, who have become experts on the dolphins' behaviour. Their cue is the moment a dolphin pops to the surface, checking the position of the nearest mud bank. The egrets are poised and ready for action. Then it happens. The dolphins drive the fish shoal ashore. As the fish flounder, the dolphins scoop him up. But the egrets also pile in. This is the only place in the world where dolphins strand feed like this. And the local birds have learnt to make the most of it. Strangely, the dolphins always use their right sides to push ashore. The young dolphins pick up this technique from their parents, as do the egrets that follow them. Many no longer fish for themselves and totally rely upon the dolphins' cast-offs. The egrets are living proof of birds' extraordinary ability to adapt to the opportunities on offer.